In this section, we are going to see about drill through. Drill through is a feature in Power BI, which is the navigation feature, which allows the users to move from a summary report page to a detail or a target page. Basically, you are seeing a report at the higher level. Usually, Power BI is meant for it, right? You can see the data at the aggregated level. You are seeing at the different categorical value, yearly value, all other stuffs. But it is not always we required to see at the aggregated or the summary level. We want to understand what are the details of it. Each and every row are the transaction that contributed to that aggregated value or the summary information. If I want to see the details, then you need to use the drill through feature. Let's try to understand how we can implement this in Power BI. I'm in Power BI now. Let's take this chart, clustered column chart. As usual, we have a simple sales amount here, and let's try to use the category. Now, let me enable the click on this chart and enable the data label so that you can see the value. Let's try to understand this 1.6 million. So what are the transactions contributed to this particular semi-formal, right? That is what I want to see. That I can have a detailed report over here. Okay, let's try to create a detailed report first. So this is the future, right now I don't have any option to see the details feature, so that what I'm trying to simulate it here is I'm trying to create details report here. First requirement is I will create some detailed report. Typically 99% of the time it will be a table. Based on your business need, you can decide any other information. So let's try to put this line number. First of all, this line number is an integer, that's why it's appearing as summation here. This should be summed up by by default. Then I will add a customer ID, and I will add a delivery date, sales date, order type, whatever I need. I don't want to see it in a hierarchy. Let's keep it as a date. So click on this sale date. Okay, let's try to shorten this. Customer ID doesn't make any sense here, so instead I will add the customer name. First name is enough for now, and what products he brought. That's why this will be more meaningful. Okay, let's try to add a item name. Okay, now you have delivery date also doesn't need it. Line number, which date it has been sold, what are the order types, and then first name of the customer and the item name and item amount or sales amount. That is very important for us. Okay, this is good. Now this is the overall data of your entire data set. It doesn't have any filters as of now. Now let's go to our hierarchy. See this is the figure. It was shown here. Okay, 7.78. so this is the total sales amount. Now, as I said before, how you can view the details of it, right? For that, you need to enable common factor between this particular chart and this particular page, right? I will call it as details. Sorry for the spelling. Details. Okay, so how I can enable that link between this page and this particular chart and this page, right? So you see the option in the details page. In the details page, whatever categorical value you used here, casual wear, right? Not the casual wear, that is a category name from the, let's click on this category name from the product. The same column from this table should be dragged and drop in this place, right? That is the drill through page in your detail page. As soon as I drag and drop here, you see here there are two things happening. One is the navigation page. It is the go back to that navigation page is appearing. And then in the hierarchies, earlier when you right click on it, this drill through is not enabled. Now you see drill through for the details page. So when you click on this, you see that number 1.6. You can see drill through for your details page, that is 1.6. it is rounded off basically. Let's go and keep this one as the in the labels. I will say data labels, right? Where is the option for me to show entire value? I don't want the decimal places, I will keep none. So 1554. okay, this is the same value it was appearing. You see here 1554. okay, so this is the core feature of your drill through. okay, you can create as many details page as possible. Whatever categorical name you are drag and drop in this details page, whatever pages you have enabled, right, in wherever this particular column is used in your charts, your drill through will be enabled there. This is the let me introduce some filters. What happens when some filters applied to the drill through, right? You may wonder like this will not work. Let's try to understand it, how it behaves. Let's try to add 2026. I don't want to see it. Okay, let's not focus on that much. 2026. In 2026, for formal, you have this is the value, that is 104811. Now, when I say details, you see 104811. But how come that particular year filter also applied? You see here, even though you didn't add the year filter in this drill through, whatever filters applied contributing to this particular categorical name in this page, that automatically start appearing in your drill through page. It is not stored by default. okay, when you go back and come up with the clear future and then click on accessories, you see that filter is gone. So you no need to worry about much about the filters applied in this page. All you need to do is wherever you want to enable the drill through, right, for this particular column, right, that should be added in this page, then in the detail page. Let's try to add one more visual here. In this case, I am enabling the country. Sorry, map is not there. Let's get rid of that. This time I will go with this. And as I said, it doesn't make sense for me to have the sales amount along with the country. So I will go by quantity. Now, when I right click, drill through won't be enabled because this particular column, that is country column, not in your details. So in order to enable, go back to the show location, drag and drop here. Ignore about this because whatever previously you navigated, that will be appearing over here. This doesn't make any impact for you. If you want, you can clear it. So go back now. Now you see the drill through is enabled. So now you got the same figures over here. You can go back by clicking on it. So all the formatting option, you can try it out by yourself. So basically this is the sale quantity. Whatever measures you are using it here, please ensure you use that one so that it makes more sense. Here there is no sales quantity, sorry, item quantity. Add that one so that it makes more sense. Let's go back. Now the value over here is 2640 and over here is 5768. Let's try to check this value appearing here. It's 5768. These many quantities, these many line items contributed to 5768. I hope you understand the concept behind the drill through. So in summarize, you need to define your aggregated page or summary page, and you will design as many as required detail pages. In your detail pages, add these categorical values or even the these measures, right, that also you can add. Then your drill through will be started appearing in your aggregated reports or pages. This is the in nutshell. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries. Do remember that data is your asset.